I haven't put my sunscreen on. Put that on first to shake it. I thought I'd try a different format instead of voiceovers and see if this is better. Except I feel like it's a little boring, but that's okay. Sunscreen. I ran out of my Too Faced primer, so I'm just gonna go in with the Smashbox one, which is like a small sample size, but it does the job as well. I feel like I haven't done a talking video in so long, so I don't know, I was thinking I could redo my Q&A because I'm not exactly the same as I was 3 years ago, or like a get to know me tag or something. That's done. Foundation. I just apply it onto my skin, but I don't know. I'm pretty lazy today. My skin's been pretty good lately, so I don't put too much foundation on like I used to. I feel like having a thin layer of foundation is better, and then going in with concealer is probably a better method than piling on the foundation. I'm just gonna fill in my eyebrows and give them some shape. As you can see, I don't have much. Nothing I can do about it. I was thinking about getting tattooed eyebrows, but then I was like, what if I want to change the shape? I can't. For at least like 6 months. And I just use a pencil. I want to try something different, like a pomade or something, but I'm just too comfortable with my pencil. I don't know, what do you think? It's pretty good. Not too bad. So I've made my eyebrows a little bit thinner than usual, just to have the attention on my lips instead. I'm going to use this colour. It's kind of like a kind of chocolatey cocoa colour, just all over my lids. This is super simple. I'm going to go in again with another colour just to make it a bit more intense. Just another brown from this palette, the Play Eyes, I think it's the Wine Party by Etude House palette. There's a few colours. Ooh. We're going to go for that one there. It's a bit shimmery, but I'm not going to put too much on. I just need the colour. I don't need the shimmer. I'm just going to dab it on, just to add more darkness around my eyes. I kind of like it a bit messy. I feel like if sometimes your makeup's too perfect, it can look too done up. Kind of like you want it to look like you just left the house in a rush and you did your makeup really quickly, which most times I do, but like that's the look you're going for. I'm going to curl my eyelashes and then prime them with a lash lengthener which my friend got for me from Japan, and it's probably my most favourite product right now because I have no lashes at all. Okay, now I'm going to go in with the Kate Lash Maximiser. I did get lash extensions for a while, but it's pretty, like honestly it's quite expensive to maintain. This works just as well, honestly. I obviously don't have the type of volume you'd get with extensions, but you get enough. Can you see the difference? Yeah, it's pretty good. I got like, I'm so dumb. I don't know how, but I get things everywhere. Like, I had eyeshadow on my forehead. One time I got chocolate on my neck and I thought it was like a mole and I was freaking out because I never saw it before. And then I touched it and it smudged and I was like, oh my god, I'm such a wreck. I even told my friends, I was like, guys, I think I have a mole on my neck. Should I get it checked out? And then I touched it. It was so embarrassing. Cool. That's done. And I'm just going in with my Hemish. I got this for free. It's actually really good. Like, I got it for free when I bought over $100 or something on this website. But I actually really like it. More than the Better Than Sex one. So, and I didn't even pay for it. So good. You just coat it afterwards. And your lashes look so long. And I have no lashes. Like, I don't even know how to explain to you, I have no lashes. But you wouldn't even know, would you? And that's this side. Oh. I feel like I got too much mascara on there. Eyes are done. Super simple. And now I'm gonna go in with some concealer under my eyes, just to hide all the eyeshadow that might have fallen before. I don't really put that much, honestly. I feel like I'm so lax with how I do my makeup. I kind of like my sunspots on my face. I feel like trying to hide them is silly. I have so many. Anyway, that's done. I'm gonna go with some bronzer using this Bobbi Brown angular brush I got ages ago. It's got a bit of everything on it. I need new brushes. And I'm just using the Hoola bronzer. I feel like that's enough. Maybe some on the top. Sometimes I feel like it shows up more on camera than in real life. Especially on this side. What's going on here? Okay. That's done. So I'm going in with the Ruby, I think this is the Ruby Woo lip pencil by MAC. Just to line, I'm not going to do my whole lip, I'm just going to do my bottom and my Cupid's bow. I really need to sharpen this, so don't judge me. The only reason I'm putting this one on is because it's the only lip liner I have. So that's red. I feel like it's really important when you wear a red lipstick, you don't want it to bleed. So pop that on, but the actual red lipstick I'm going to put on is this one by 3CE. It's in the shade Fig. How nice. I really like the packaging though. How nice is it? I'm just going to dab that on my lips. This is a little bit more warmer as well. It's a Sarah Moon times Nars makeup blush and highlighter palette. I just use the highlighter there. I think it's Albatross. Yes, it is. I feel like a lot of you are going to judge me on the brushes I use, but please don't. I just put that like on my cheekbones and then sometimes on my nose, bridge, and then underneath my eyebrows. And that's done. And then I go in with just a Nars. I go in with a Nars pressed powder to finish it off. Just a little bit. I don't really put that much on. And that's the look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching my tutorial on how to create this super relaxed red lip. If you want to see a Q&A, please pop your questions down below in the comments and I'll try and answer them in my next video for you guys. Thanks so much for watching and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye! Bye!